What? Why did you pull Kuya's hair? Huh? Why did you pull Kuya's hair? Jamir? Is that the truth? You're lying again. Oh, that's right. And then what happened? And then what happened? Did Kuya's hair come to you or your hand went to... Oh. Oh. Oh no. Is that...
Upo. Ano mo, oo.
Nako, sige. Ikaw ang gumagawa niyan. Okay.
Magpaliwanag ka. Dali, ba't mo hinili?
Paliwanag ka.
Upo. Yan, okay. Paliwanag ka, dali.
Okay. Why did you pull Kuya's hair?
Sagot ka, umiyak si kuya.
Huh? Why did you pull Kuya's hair? Is that the truth?
Explaining.
Is that the truth?
What is that?
Explaining why he pulled your hair.
And then what? What happened? What happened? Why did you pull Kuya's hair? Oh, palo. Oh, palo on the kuku.
You're gonna punch him on the goo. You go to.
Sorry na kay kuya. Sorry.
Sorry to Kuya.
Sorry,
Kiss.
kuya.
Kikiramdam.
Gumagalaw.
Hindi ka magalaw.